Good evening to all of you. Welcome you guys. Welcome you all. How you are doing, everybody? I think we are live. Yeah. First of all, do comment करके बोलिए. Is my audio is video is clear to all of you? Yeah. Confirm करके बोलिए now here. Is my audio video is clear to everybody? ठीक है. Yeah. चलो. So let's continue our discussions. Yeah. First of all, so you can have a look at now here. One second. So something issue happened. Some system got struck. So welcome you guys. So good evening to everybody. Welcome you guys. So sorry for the disturbance. So some system got struck. Now it is fine. Chill. So here first of all, great news to all the aspirants now here, those who are preparing seriously for 2027 के लिए. So now you will get this Unacademy subscription that is just 8,999 only. इसके साथ you will get additional benefits भी आपको मिलेगा. The subscription that is just 8,999 only. इसके साथ की साथ so you will get additional benefits are what tell me now here. Free extension भी आपको मिलेगा. Free extension भी आपको मिलेगा. Get 9 months of plus subscription. And so here this is get 12 months के लिए. So you can have a look at now here that is just 9,499 rupees only. And this offer today going to end. Use this opportunity before it going to expire. You can use the code of BV Reddy and to avail this great discount. Right. And we starting a new batches. We list शुरू होने वाला. You can have a look at now. The top educators team you can find. And so we started a new batches from 28th onwards. नया batches शुरू होने वाला. So this is EDC and aptitude शुरू होने वाला. You can have a look at now. And so these are the new batches. You can have a look at now from 28th April से नया batches. And free live class festival. So with this you can able to experience Unacademy platform. How the Unacademy platform, what are the features it has. So to explore this Unacademy platform, you can access the free live classes so that you will get to know. So what are the features of Unacademy platform and the Swiss Learning Festival. And so we started a rank improvement batch bhi shuru hua. So you can have a look at now. So these are the GATE 2026 rankers from Unacademy. So you can find the top indicators. You can find in single frame में आपको मिलेगा. Right. All these rankers are from where? EC and electricals only. All these are from EC electrical only. These many rankers you can have a look at now. So all are from EC electrical only. And so here there are so many other rankers also there. These are all are in top 100 May. From these rankers will indicate the how this Unacademy, so learners and educators are seriously working to achieve the great success of the students. Now these are the ESC rankers for 2025. These are from all the branches. Civil, mechanical, electrical, all the branches. Many rankers are, you can have a look at now. So Unacademy starter kit which is available. So another feature, great feature of Unacademy is Unacademy AI tool, that is Una. With this, 3 modes are there: voice mode, quiz mode, smart summaries. And you can use these 3 modes to access the great learning experience of Unacademy. Test series is also available, and 2 subscriptions we are providing plus subscription. The other one is iconic. प्लस में आपको क्या चीज मिलेगा? टॉप एडिकेटर्स क्लासेस मिलेगा, लाइव डाउट्स होगा, एवेल्युएटेड टेस्ट सीरीज होगा, एंड स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेस एंड पीडीएफ, लाइव क्विज एंड अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस. आइकॉनिक में क्या एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा? पर्सनल कोच मिलेगा, फिजिकल नोट्स भी आपको मिलेगा. राइट. So you can book your slot and interact with your mentor according to your time convenience. So let's crack it. Right. So the last class we have seen the problems. How many problems we have completed, and we'll continue the remaining problems. How many we did? Yes, all these problems we have completed. Yeah, 22 we did, right? Next, the next one. There are 3 bags which are known to contain 2 white, 3 black balls, 4 white, 1 black balls, 3 white and 7 black balls, respectively. A ball is drawn at random from one of the bags and found to be a black. Then the probability that it was drawn from the bag that contained most black balls. Here, which contain most black balls? So third bag will contain. So that's why we need to pick the ball from the third bag. Se lena padega. Right. So how many bags you can see now? Totally here 3 bags are there. And if I call this is my bag A, and this is my bag A, if I call, it contains how many balls? You can see now 2 white balls are there. 2 white balls. 3 black balls are there. So that is 3 black balls. Okay. Next, second bag. And third bag. And let us call this the bag B, and let us call this as a bag C. And the second bag contains what element of 4 white balls will contain and 1 black ball will contain. Next, here 3 white balls and 7 black balls. Okay. Now, so we need to get which ball I have to pick. You tell me now. I need to get the black ball. So here, and that black ball is from where? Tell me now here, which contain maximum number of black ball. That means C contains a more black balls now. So that means we need to pick from where now here? C se lena padega. Right. So tell me now first what I can do here. I'll write the probability. So we know this is from the Bayes theorem, and we know how you need to do this Bayes theorem. Yes, first. Tell me now here what the probability to get the first bag. A bag is 1 by 3. Next we need to pick the black balls. So here black balls are how many are there? 3 are there. So that means what we can say now, 3 by 5. Second bag. So what is the probability to pick the second bag is a B bag is 1 by 3. Black ball from the second bag, that is 1 by 5, plus black ball, that is 1 by 3 back to C bag 7. So that is 7 by 10. Right. So if we observe here, yeah, this is what tell me now here. So picking a black ball from A bag, the black ball from B bag, black ball from C bag. Right. So I need to pick from which bag I need to pick now? C bag. The C term must be written in the denominator. C terms are what you tell me, that is 1 by 3 into what tell me now, 7 by 10. So C bag now, so that means C term should be written in the numerator. That's it. The problem over. Done. So simplify this thing. How much will come? Yeah, we can cancel this 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 will get cancelled. So we have 10 is LCM. If I do it is, what I'll get now here, numerator will be a 7. So 10 will get cancelled. So this is 6 plus 2 plus 7. And here how much is value? 7 plus 15. 7 by 15. So the first option. Got it, all of you? All of you do like the session. Next one. In an entrance test, there are multiple choice questions. There are multiple choice questions, and what they're saying, so there are 4 possible answers to each question, of which one is correct. The probability that a student knows the answer to a question is 90%. If he gets the correct answer, what is the probability that he was guessing? What is the probability that he is guessing? Okay. Next. Here you tell me now. First of all, he is knowing the correct answer is given as a 90%. He know the correct answer. If he doesn't know, he will guess it. Right. So that means let us form a tree diagram for understanding, easy understanding purpose. Yes, the question is there. So that means what he will do here. So this means for the given question, he may know the correct answer. If he doesn't know, he will guess it. No. If he doesn't know, he will do the guessing. And what the probability that he know the correct answer? Probability 90%. So that means we can say this is 0.9. And if he doesn't know, he will guess it. Okay. Now this known answer is definitely correct only. What is the probability that known answer is correct? If you know the answer, that means that is correct answer only, na? That means this probability, knowing answer, that should be correct. Correct के लिए probability कितना? So that is what 100%, that is 1. Yes, if we guess and the answer, it may be correct, may be wrong. It may be correct and may be wrong. If it is correct, so guessing question correct probability, it has 4 options are there. So then correct probability is what will be now 1 by 4 na, and the wrong probability is 3 by 4. Right. And here they are asking that what tell me now he get the correct answer. He got the correct answer, then what's the probability they ask him to find? Yes. Here you tell me now this is also Bayes theorem. First we will write the probability that his answer is correct. His answer is correct. He knowing the answer, that probability is what tell me? That is 0.9. If we know the answer, then he will guess it. I will write it as, so this is 9 by 10. Okay. And if we know, then it is correct only. If we don't know, he will guess it. And what the probability he is guessing now here, that is 1 by 10. And what the probability that is a correct one here, 1 by 4. Okay. Now here, this is a probability for the answers to be correct, and which is in knowing, known answer is correct. And this is a guessing answer correct. So he is asking for guessing now. So guessing term should be numerator. So that is what I can say, tell me now, 1 by 10 into 1 by 4. Okay. Now, so simplify it. So 10 will get cancelled in the numerator, denominator. So then will come to be a what, tell me now, 1 by 4. So 4 is a LCM, then it will come to be a what, tell me now here. And 4 also will get cancelled. Then it will be 1 by, so this is will becomes 36 plus 1. So this will be equal to 1 by 37. Check it all of you. Next. A coin is tossed 3 times in succession. If E is the event, there are at least 2 heads. F is an event in which first to throw is a head. First to throw is a head. Then they ask him to find the conditional probabilities. So first we need to develop the conditional sample space. Conditional sample space. Not the normal sample space, conditional sample space will develop it. And what is conditional sample space means? The given that, yes, now first to throw should contain head only. So tell me now, first to throw we need to have head only, remaining can be anything. So first one is head. Yeah, that means what we can say, remaining both can be heads. Next, first one is head, that is head, tail. Next, head, tail, head. Next, what will be first one is head, next tail, tail. These are the possibilities now. Right, now you tell me now, this is a conditional sample space. Now, what the event now here? There are at least 2 heads, minimum 2 heads we need to have. Minimum 2 heads. Where the minimum 2 heads are there? Here we have two heads are there. Here also minimum. Here three are there. So this probability is what we can say. Tell me now. That is simply 3/4. So if you do the conditional sample space, then approach is very easy. Okay. Otherwise, we need to write a complete sample space, do analyze. It will take a little lengthy. Next one. A and B are two events such that P of A given, P of B given, and P of A intersection B given. The value of P of A by B is. A and B are two events such that P of A given, P of B given, and P of A intersection B. So what is the P of A by B? Tell me now. Basically, P of A by B, which is equal to what? Tell me now. P of A intersection B by, that is P of B. So it should be direct now. P of A intersection B already given. P of B value, which is also given as what? Tell me now. 3/5. So which will come to be what? Tell me now. 5/6. It's a bacha problem. Next. If E bar and F bar are complementary events of E and F respectively, P of F lies between 0 to 1, then they ask him to find P of E by F plus P of E bar by F, which is equal to what should be? Which can be satisfied now? Tell me now. They are given E. So E bar and F bar are complementary events. Now, so here if you do it now here. Now this is option B we are verifying here. No, option B. Option A will verify one by one options. Option A, that is what I have now, P of E by F plus P of E bar by F, which is how we can write to? Tell me now this one. E by F, which is equal to P of E intersection F by P of F plus P of E bar intersection F by P of F. Now you can tell me now here, which will be equal to, first term I'm keeping as it is. That is P of E intersection F by P of F. And second term, this is only F. Only F, how we can write to? Tell me now here. That is P of F minus P of E intersection F by P of F. So then, which will come to be a what? Tell me now here. So this is, yeah, you can see now this is P of E intersection F plus P of F minus P of E intersection F by, so P of F only na. So you can see now here this term and this term will get cancelled. Yes, exactly. So then which will be equal to what term now here? So P of F by P of F obviously which will be equal to 1. Probability of happening of A given B and probability of happening B given not given are independent to each other. So here directly we can write it as this term equal to 1. So first option. Right. So these events you can see now here when if we have a P of E by F plus P of E bar by F which is equal to 1 or P of E bar by F plus E bar by F bar and P of E by F bar and which is also equal to 1. Denominator must be same and then so the numerator one is a E, the other one is a complement. Then the summation is always 1 only. Okay. Right. Next one. Two cards are drawn one by one from a pack of cards. The probability of getting first card an ace and a second colored one. First one is a ace and second one is a colored one. First card we should get ace we need to get. Second one must be a colored one we need to get. Yeah, tell me now this probability and with a replacement or without replacement. Before drawing the second card, first card is not replaced. Yes, tell me now probability. What the probability to get the first card you tell me? First card, the probability of first card is an ace. Ace getting probability. So that is how many ace are there? We have 4 are there. So this means what should be now here? 4 a's. Now let us consider probability of getting ace is P of A which will be equal to 4 by 52. And colored one. Colored means what? Tell me now here. A, J, K, Q. These are called as a colored cards. As J, K, Q. Honor cards are also called as a colored cards. So honor are also called as a colored. These are the colored cards. How many are there? 4, 4, 4, 16 are there. So probability of getting a colored one, which is equal to how much now? So that is, so that means already one has taken already. So that means how many? 15 only there. 15 by 51. How many cards are they taken? One card has been taken now. This much. So that means what should be now here? So final probability is what I can say. Tell me. So this final probability which is equal to 4 by 52 into what element of here? 15 by 51. This is, yeah, simplify, we'll get it. How much this value? Tell me now here. 5 by 221. Got it all of you? Next one. Next one. One die is thrown 3 times and the sum of the thrown numbers is 15. The probability for which number 4 appears in the first throw. How many dice are rolled? So one die only, but 3 times. Okay, he also will form the conditional probability will form it. Here also will form the conditional probability. Will do it. Yeah, tell me now conditional probability. Right. Yeah, you tell me now first. They given this first time we should have 4 must be there. First throw. So this is first time 4. Next one is 1, 1. The next combinations. Okay, so then it will appear as 4, 1, 1. Next, what I can say now? 4, 1, 2. Next, 4, 1, 3. Next, 4, 1, 4. Next, 4, 1, 5. Next, 4, 1, 6. Okay. Next, first time we need to have 4. First die must be 4. 4, 2, 1. 4, 2, 2. 4, 2, 3. 4, 2, 4. 4, 2, 5. 4, 2, 6. Next, 4, 3, 1. 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, 3. 4, 3, 4. 4, 3, 5. 4, 3, 6. Okay. Next, 4, 4, 1. 4, 4, 2. Understand the approach? Tell me, all of you. First, we are forming conditional probability sample space. We are forming, isn't it? First throw must be contain 4 only. Remaining can be anything. All the possibilities we are writing. Next, 4, 4, 3. Right. This is one of the very good problems. So here, बढ़िया problem. अगर आपने conditional probability without that if we wrote, it is a very lengthy बनेगा. So you see this thing here. How many dice are 3 times now? So means 6 cube. So total sample space, if we want to do normal method, so how much the sample space now? 6 cube. That means 216 combinations are there, isn't it? So totally 216 combinations are there. Solving this is very lengthy, isn't it? So that's why if you do conditional probability, then so it is somewhat better easy. If you want to do the normal method, so that means how much now here? 6 cube now, 216 combinations are there. Next, tell me now here 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 6. Next, tell me now here 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 6. Next, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 4, 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 6. Right? So these many combinations are there. Now, finally, now you see this thing here. It's a conditional sample space. Now you tell me now what the other condition they given. Sum is 50. First condition we have satisfied. What is the second condition they are saying here? Sum must be 15. Sum 15. Where do you get the sum is 15? Tell me. Sum 15 कहाँ मिलेगा? 4. So here 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So here we'll get the sum 15 मिलेगा ना? Yes. Next, Wales now here. Any other places we have some 15 will come, tell me. Any another combination some 15 होगा क्या check करके बोलिए. No, isn't it? So that means how many combinations now? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 6, 36. Now the conditional sample space is 36. Okay, so that means here conditional sample space we got 36. Now we need the probability required now. So you tell me now how much is probability? So this is probability. How many favorable cases we have? 2. That is 2 by 36. And which will come to be a what, tell me now? 1 by 80. Option A. Badhiya problem. So the beautiful problem हमने और ब्यूटीफुल किया, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल से बनाया हमने, isn't it? Then next one. One ticket is selected at random from 100 tickets. 100 tickets, one ticket has been picked. And those are numbered as 2-digit number they given on each one. And they given X denote the sum, X is the sum, and Y is the product. X is the sum, Y is the product. The given condition as what, tell me now here? Sum is 9, product is 0. The condition, isn't it? So the given condition as what you tell me now? Sum. How much the sum they want you tell me now? 9. And sum के लिए they given as X given na, X notation given, X symbol. Sum is given 9 and product is Y, and Y given as what, tell me now? 0 they are saying. Now you tell me now what happened. Sum 9, product Y. So here for this, here also will form the conditional sample space we can form. Here tell me the conditional sample space. First Y has to be occur first. Y case product must be 0. Product must be 0 means one number must be a 0. Yes or no? Any one number must be 0. So what are the possibilities now here? If we have selected now 0, 0, product 0. Next we have 0, 1. Next we have 0, 2. And next we have 0, 3. And 0, 4. And 0, 5. 0, 6. 0, 7. 0, 9. Yes. Next, what else are possible? You tell me now. 10 we have taken now. In this case also product is 0. 10. If we have taken 20, if we have taken 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and this is 90. 100 is not there now. So in these cases we have product is 0. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18. Totally how many are there? You can 18 or 19? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Anything? So sorry, 8 is missing now. 0, 8 and this is 0, 9. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Totally how many are there? You can see now 19 are there. Okay. So in this, they are saying it as what? Tell me now. Sum is 9. Sum 9 can be possible. Here it is happen and here it is happen. Only these two cases sum is 9. So then what I can say now, this probability now here. So it should be equal to what we can see now. So only 2 by what? Tell me now, 19. Yes. This is the option, tell me. Okay. Got this problem, everybody? Good. Logic pakadna. So try to understand the logic behind the problem. Yes. Next problem. A man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. 3 out of 4 times. He throws a die. Reports that it is a 6. He threw the die and he said it is a 6. Then what is the probability that it is actually 6? Badhiya problem. Yes. Right. So then a person. So here, yeah, first of all, you can see now here this person, he can speak 3 out of 4 times. Now this person speak. How many times he will speak now here? Truth, true and false. Wrong usage. And what the probability he will speak the truth? They given this as 3 by 4 times. False के लिए that is 1 by 4. Okay. He throw the die and he said it is a 6. 6. What is the probability to get the 6? 6 आने का probability क्या कितना? He throw a die. So then 6 आने के लिए he may get may 6 and no 6. I am calling it as no 6 as 6 bar. He may get 6 and may not get the 6. 6 आने का probability कितना? That is 1 by 6. And what's the probability for not getting 6? That is what we can say now. That is 5 by 6. Okay. Next. Now, so when he is speaking the galat also, he may get the 6, may not get the 6. And 6 आने का probability as usual. So this is 1 by 6. No 6 के लिए 5 by 6. The probability that it is actually 6. He has to get actually 6 आना पड़ेगा. He has to get 6 आने के लिए. So tell me now, which cases he will get the 6? You tell me now here. In those cases, what should be now here? So he will speak the truth. He will say 6. That is one possibility. He will say false, wrong, and he don't get the 6. If he don't get a 6, then he will say 6 na. Okay. So you tell me now probability P. So Bayes theorem, tell me now here. So first path, here this is one path and this is another path. So tell me now here 3 by 4 into 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4 into 5 by 6. This thing you understood, tell me? Yes, in this case, so here what tell me now? So here in this case, actually get the 6. Here this is, here he got the actual 6 he got. Here this is no 6. But the person told it is a 6 he told. Okay. So but he is asking it is actually 6 probability. Actually 6 ke liye. So this term must be numerated na into 1 by 6. Got this thing, tell me? And simplify, tell me the answer. So here denominator will cut jayega na simply. Okay. So the numerator what we have, tell me now, 3 by 3 plus 5. So which will be equal to 3 by 8. Next. A bag A contains 2 white, 3 red. Bag B contains 4 white, 5 red. One ball is drawn at random from a randomly chosen bag and it is found it is a red. The probability that it is from the bag B. So, right here, Bayes theorem, this is the bag A and here is a bag B. Bag A, bag B. Bag A, it contains what, tell me now here, 2 white balls and then 3 red are there. Bag B contains 4 white and 5 red. One ball is chosen at randoms and then it should be found to be a red ball. So tell me now, first we need to find what the probability to get the red one. Red ka probability, first selecting the first bag is 1 by 2. Red ball from first bag, which will be equal to what we can say now, 3 by 5. Next, probability of choosing the second bag, that is 1 by 2. Red ball from second bag, that is what we can say now here, 4 by 5. He has to choose from, this is the probability to get a red ball from box A. This is from box B. We need to pick from where, you tell me now here, box B se lena. B se ke liye, so this is 1 by 2 into 5 by 4. Okay. And simplify it. So see, tell me what will get. So which will come to be a, yes, 25 by 52. Next. Bag X contain 2 white, 3 black. Y contain 4 white, 2 black. One bag is selected at random and the ball is drawn from it. Then the probability that the chosen ball is white. White hona, simply total probability. Total probability, right? So tell me now probability to get a white ball. White ball आपको कहाँ से मिलेगा? Box, first box से मिलेगा, second box से मिलेगा. A bag is selected random. Probability to get the first bag is 1 by 2. White ball probability, that is 2 by X bag, 2 by 5. And second bag is 1 by 2. And white ball from the second Y bag, that is 4 by 6. So which will be, what, tell me now here, 2 कट जाएगा, so this is 2. So this is 1 by 5, 2 by 3. So this is 1 by 3. So will come to be a what term? 15, and this is a 3 plus 5, which will be equal to 8 by 15. Okay. So the answer is C. Yes. Got it. Yes. Yeah, finally हमें DPP-3 भी we have complete हो गया. Right. So that's it for today's sessions, and we will meet in the next class with another sessions. Okay then, see you. Bye-bye.